What's really good? Nissan Pathfinder 2003. How to do the oil change, you know what I'm saying? This is how you open the hood right here, like that. Okay, so it looks like from inside. Alright, let me see how many miles this thing has. What is that, 67 something? 67,376. 67,400. Alright, now we go to the front. 2003, alright. You see a grill? Things right here. That thing right there. Damn, this hood is heavy as fuck. You see what's going on with V6 3500. Let me give you a better. Hold on, go. Air filter, throttle, engine oil cap, battery, steering fluid reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, fuse box, oil dipstick, radiator cap, windshield fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, and another fuse box. This is a 3.5 liter engine. Oh, this is in case you don't have that sticker. This is for the air conditioner, the AC. Sorry for the light. What it says, compressor oil, 1340, 99 pounds or 0.99 pounds or 0.45 kilograms. So we come through here, remove the cap. Okay, so when I drain the oil, it drain better. You know what I'm saying? You can pull this up a little bit though. It's not that crazy though, because once you open this, they remove the engine oil cap, then it's gonna drain better. Alright, let's go down there. Let's get it. What I got over here, the spare tire, differential. That's one cat. No, that's the cat, whatever. Here's the oil drain plug, okay. Yeah, pretty much. This is a transmission oil pan. Okay, this is the engine oil pan. I'm gonna do this, okay. The filter, I assume, gonna be around here. Oh, here it is. That white thing. It's original though. That's from the dealership. Okay, alright, let's drain this. Come with me. Okay, hopefully I don't get it in the camera. Before I jump into the action, I'm saying I gotta say it. Okay, don't forget to support the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel, like, share, comment. You know, same old. Other than that, oh yeah, the other way you can contribute to the channel is by you see the heart right below the screen, the video. It says thanks. Yeah, click on that, okay. And that's kind of like leaving a tip for showing you how to do it. I'm saying. You're gonna get it in your face, okay? Damn it. Hello. Oh yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna leave it running, okay? Because a lot of people are like, yo, you don't drain all the oil and this and that. If you wanna drain the oil, like really fast, you gotta like pour some diesel in the engine. Pour some diesel, like maybe a quarter, right where you put the oil. Put there some diesel and let the car run. Idle the car. Let it idle, okay, for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Then drain it. Or remove that oil plug, oil drain plug, and most of it is gonna come out, okay, with a better flow. But if you're just doing oil change, I'm saying just do it this way. I'm saying if you have questions related to the to the how much diesel I gotta put it, or where do I have to put the diesel so I can flush the oil better, the use oil better, put in the comment box. Let me know. Let me know if you want to know, and I'll let you know how to do it. Oh yeah, before I forget too, join the channel, join the community channel. Okay, that's the way to go. Okay, join the community channel. I don't know what happened with that. Just removing this. Okay, I'm removing this cover. I'll show you in a second though. Probably this person doesn't need this cover, but whatever. I mean, if you want it, I need it. Okay. Once we drain most of it, now where's the? Okay, here it is. Now we go through. We put it back. Okay. Yeah, if there's like if you say like, yo, you didn't drain all the oil. How much oil you want to drain? Go. Now I'm gonna put this. I'm just gonna tighten it. Did I tell you this is a 14 millimeter socket? Clean after yourself. Don't be like that dude. Don't be that guy. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you this thing right here. One second. Maybe I put it this way. Right there. Oh, you know what? Hello. This plastic right here. Just push it so you can reach there. Okay. So 1 second. Okay, this thing we're gonna pull it back with a bungee cord, whatever you call it. Put it back so you can pull it back, pause, so you can see it better, I guess. Alright, come with me. Okay, here I'm gonna use this. Come through like that, just like that. Okay, sorry for the background noise. Some idiot. Okay, like this. Alright. Hey, join the community channel, okay? You get 3 levels. Each level is different. The basic, you get some basic stuff. Then it goes up, you know what I'm saying? If you upgrade to the medium level, you get more stuff and comes whatever comes in the previous level. And if you get the advanced level, then you're gonna get whatever, all the perks that are come in the previous levels, plus new perks for in the that don't come in the previous levels. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I do that. If you have any questions, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, join the channel so you get like, so we can chat and I guide you. I walk you through the problem. All right. Here, just gonna clean this. Okay. Wipe it. Okay. Like so. Good job. Okay. This is the filter I'm gonna use. 67356 Parts Master. Okay. Let me get it out. I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside. Pause. Okay. We come through here. Oh, don't forget to lube this gasket, okay? I just do this, okay? You see that? I come through like this, pop, and put it there. Tied it, snug it by hand. Ooh, mess here. Good. Should be good. Alright, over here. I'm gonna let this go. Okay. Now it has like a one here that goes over there. One bolt goes over there. It has like a one that goes here. Okay, another one that goes there. Another one that goes here, over here, and one over here. Okay, 10mm bolts for that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put a 5.3 quarts. Okay, regular oil, 5W30. 5.3 quarts. Yeah, pretty much. Hey, I gotta tell you again, join the community channel. I'm telling you. What the? It's gonna help you a lot if you have a lot of questions. You know what I'm saying? We can chat, we can do all that. Alright. It's gonna take a minute. I'm getting the oil now, so I don't think I did this car before. So that's why I'm doing it, because I don't know if I did it before. That's why I'm doing it now. Know what I'm saying? I do it for the people, know what I'm saying? So, okay, so I got 5 quarts in 5.3, okay? Make sure it doesn't spill at the bottom, okay? Because when you pour it too fast, know what I'm saying, it's like, it kind of leaks at the bottom. Hello, is there anybody there? Okay, when I do that, okay, pour it slow. Play with me. Oh, the other way you can support the channel is by, subscribing to the channel, share the video, like the video, comment, and all that. Alright. Use a super chat. Super chat is like so you can leave a tip, something like that, kind of like a restaurant. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the other way you can support the channel is by watching the ads. Watch the ads. If you think this is too much for you, know what I'm saying, let the ad run, all right? And go take a break, get a drink, and come back. Let the ad run, by the way, all right? Don't be like that. Don't be that guy, okay? Those that get this for free and then just walk away without saying thanks. You know what I'm saying? Don't be that guy, okay? Alright. So we did that. Pour the oil here, okay? In this, where the engine oil cap was. Alright? Now put it back. Alright? I saw this video where this person, I'm not gonna say guy or girl, bought a quarter of like a few quarts of oil and start putting it like this. I mean, it's not her fault. It's not his fault. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know, you just don't know. That's why you gotta learn, so you do it right. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Now, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna close this hood and I don't think this vehicle has a oil life reset procedure. Okay. Now this is a 2003 Nissan Pathfinder 3.5. But this procedure works on between 2000 and 2004. Okay, so if you have a Pathfinder between those years, between 2000 and 2004, then this is what you want to do. Okay, like I said, if you have any questions and all that, put in the comment box, share, like, subscribe to the channel. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, do that. Subscribe to the channel. Join the community channel. It's gonna help you a lot. We're gonna help each other. You know what I'm saying? You help me, I help you. That's how it goes. What else? Oh, use super chats. Super chats, you can buy like a tip, and that's gonna go towards the channel. You know what I'm saying? That's how you're gonna support the channel. Subscribe to the channel, and that's pretty much it. All right. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, put in the comment box. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Burung, Maldi. Yeah. Out.